ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾವು ಆರಂಭ ಶೂರ ಕ್ರೋಧಾಕ್ಷಿಣಾತ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಆರಂಭ ಶೂರರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದನೋ 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದನೋ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ. ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಆ ಥರನೇ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ computer science projects. So they can show only codes possibly or run the program. But of late, here also you can have software project and all. But that exhibition to show to others and also to create some kind of competitiveness is required. It was done, and I should accept that most of the projects are good. But honestly speaking, all of you know by your heart, all the projects are done with the assistance of project centers. 200% clear. Because see, the Arduino board and all PLC controllers, we have not studied. Mechanical or IP students, you don't study it at all. So what is a project work? Project work is 8 semester you study subjects. Using those subject knowledge, you have to do something on your own, applying those knowledge. So because project centers of late now IoT is there, IIoT is there, control boards are there, PLC is there, they will do something, you go get it done. And of late now it is also possible that they will create PPT also. Now I am not blaming you, thing is like that. Even PhDs are done, many calls all of us we get, do you require any assistance for PhD? That is the level of mixing which is going on in the academic circle. It should not happen. You should be, what I mean to say is, you do a small project on your own. You have studied 7 semesters. In the 8th semester, you apply the knowledge, whatever you have. Let it be to the extent possible innovative. But you have a project which looks very nice, but your basic knowledge in that is nil. Arduino board, how many of you know what is Arduino board? What is PLC? What is the input? What is the output? We have not studied at all. I am not telling that you should not use it. But if you use it at least, what is the input? What is the output? Why should I use it? What is the mechanical part which you are connecting? At least you should be thorough in that. Many of you have used chain drive, I have seen. What is the velocity ratio? Whether it is positive, why belt is not used, why rope is not used, why chain is used. This is our core strength. So you must be good enough in that. I am not against modernization, IoT, use it, nothing wrong in it. But just because project centers give, you go and copy that and you don't know anything. Most of the case project looks nice, but if you go to the fundamentals, you don't have. Project is creation of something, not necessarily invention. Invention is Thomas Alva Edison invented something. Bulb. Laser was an invention. Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser beam is used for machining. That is innovation. Laser uses in operation. That is innovation. Small improvement. All engineers are not expected to do invention. All your projects work cannot be invention. We know that. But whatever you do, you have done something on materials, you characterize. Fantastic. But you be fundamental knowledge you have in that. Why I have done hardness test? Why micro hardness test? Why I have done tensile test? Why I have done brittleness? Where? Why I have to do where? What is the application? These fundamentals, if you are strong, that will fetch you a job, and also you can succeed in the market. Otherwise, all cooked up, some fabricated, somebody else will do it and you own it. That is not going to help you. I am a bit harsh. I am factually correct. That's what I am telling. You take it positively. Most of the projects are good, of course. You have basic concepts there and all that. But try to improve your fundamentals, be strong, and whatever you do, you are not expected to do everything. You are not expected to know everything. Not possible, humanly. But at least if you have used a drive, what is the drive? Why you have used that? What is the concept? You try to understand fundamentals. As long as you are strong in fundamentals, you will be absorbed by industry. Nobody expects bigger equation, all those things and all that. That you can always develop. But you have to be strong in fundamentals. As Manjunath Gaudar ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. That is a real observation. He is also harsh. ಇದನ್ನ ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. I agree with that. Of late, technical orientation ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ. I am not blaming you alone. IP ನವರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಾಂಚರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದು ಬೇಕು, ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. NCC is also required. Physical sports is also required. But ಫೋರಮ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 25 ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಬರೀ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸು, ಚೆಸ್ಸು, ಕೇರಮ್ ಬೋರ್ಡು, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟು, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಊಟ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸು, ಫಿಲ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಬಲೂನ್ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನರ್. Technical activity should be the focus. I mean, I think Basaraj for the second time, same thing is happening. Time and again, over and again. Technical forums. ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಫೋರಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು, ಇವಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ವಂಡರ್ಸ್. ಇವತ್ತೇನು ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಈ 7th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. You have the capability. That fire in belly has to be there and you have that. But your orientation is wrong. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಗಿಂತ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. You will be absorbed by industry because of your technical content and communication and soft skills. Okay? So I wish you all the best. Thank you for the opportunity.